Sony Alpha 1 mirrorless camera with 50.1 megapixel sensor, up to 8K recording launched. Sony Alpha 1 full-frame mirrorless camera has launched in India and it is touted by the company as its most advanced and innovative camera. It features a 50.1 megapixel full-frame stacked XMRS image sensor and is capable of up to 8K 30fps video recording. Sony Alpha 1 comes with an OLED Quad XGA electronic viewfinder and the company says its advanced real-time IAF performs 30% better than the previous generation camera. The Alpha 1 uses AI-based real-time tracking to automatically maintain focus. Sony Alpha 1 price. Sony Alpha 1 is listed on the Indian website as available soon and there is no information on pricing yet. It is priced at $6,498, roughly 4.73 lakh rupees, in the US as per the listing on Photo Video. The Alpha 1 is currently up for pre-orders in the US and will start shipping from March 4th. Sony Alpha 1 specifications, features. The Alpha 1 from Sony has a 50.1 megapixel 35mm full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and uses the company's Bion's XR engine for image processing. It can perform 30 fps continuous shooting with AF/A tracking and has fast hybrid autofocus. The full-frame camera can record at 8K 30 fps and at 4K 120 fps with an ISO range of 100 to 32,000. Sony Alpha 1 comes with a 1.6 cm electronic viewfinder and a 2.95-inch Touch DFD display that can be adjusted. For stabilization, the camera comes with image sensor shift mechanism with 5-axis compensation. There is long exposure noise reduction as well. Sony Alpha 1 can capture 8640 by 5760 pixels at 49.7 megapixel at 3:2 aspect ratio. In terms of storage, there are 2 slots with support for SD card, SDHC card, UHSI/2 compliant, SDXC card, UHSI/2 compliant, and CF Express Type A card. The Alpha 1 has a mechanical/electronically controlled shutter with a silent shooting feature. Connectivity options on the full-frame camera include a micro USB port, Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, 3.5mm mic terminal, and a LAN terminal. It comes with an inbuilt microphone and monaural speaker. There is also a USB Type-C port that supports fast super speed USB 10 Gbps, USB 3.2, data transfer speeds and power delivery. Sony says the battery in the Alpha 1 is rated for around 430 shots with the viewfinder and around 530 shots with the LCD display. It can continuously record videos for approximately 145 minutes using the viewfinder and approximately 150 minutes using with the LCD screen. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.